a journey we've begun. At Corinthian Asset Management, we're second to none. From the Texas heartland to the Mississippi shore, we're building communities and offering you more. In the Livable Forest, where the greenbelts wind, Trailwood Village is the sanctuary you'll find. Kingwood's finest, with pools and trails so wide, a premier lifestyle with nature by your side. Welcome home to Corinthian, where you truly belong. Building connections and staying 5 years strong. From the Gulf Coast breezes to the Laredo sun, your premier life has only just begun. Down in Laredo, where the modern style meets grace, Joya and Merida, Vista set the pace. Granite tops and tile floors, gated and secure, with living courtesy officers, of that you can be sure. Minutes from the loop and the college just nearby, private patios under the white Texas sky. We're more than just a floor plan, more than just a key. We're the heart of the community for you and your family. Where the waves meet the sand on the Biloxi coast, Palm Island, Edgewater, Pointe are the ones we love the most. Just minutes from the casinos and the shimmering beach, a coastal paradise is within your reach. With 24-hour fitness and hubs to get things done, and pools with large sun decks for soaking up the sun. To our heroes at Keesler, we serve you with pride, with Corinthian management right there by your side. Professional, dedicated, and always on the call. 24-hour maintenance to catch you if you fall. From Humboldt, Texas, we lead the way. Schedule your tour and move in today. Welcome home to Corinthian, where you truly belong. Building connections and staying 5 years strong. From the Gulf Coast breezes to the Laredo sun, your premier life has only just begun. 5 years of excellence, 5 years of heart, with Corinthian Asset Management, make a brand new start. Trailwood, Joya, Merida, Vista too, Palm Island, Edgewater, we're